our tree. All the presents. It's Christmas Eve.
Go get Mama.
We have some goodies out. Some friends coming over. Got some cider brewing. We got a little Christmas punch. We have a yummy ham in there cooking. Some beans.
Up where?
We have a Christmas Eve dance-off. Everything's all decorated. There's our stockings. And we got lots of Christmas cards this year. Oh yeah, lots and lots.